Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Aries, your first card for the reading is King of Swords, and second card Seven of Cups, and the third card is I will take Eight of Pentacles. Wow, you're working on something, Aries. You have a lot of options in your career wise and relationship wise also. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa, I'm telling. So King of Swords, you are very honest and very straightforward. Some communication is going to be happen in near future, or it is already happened. You have a lot of options definitely, and you are working on it. It could be relationship, or it could be career wise. Definitely you will see some growth. You are putting a lot of effort in it. Eight of Pentacles, definitely you are putting a lot of effort. Let's see some more. Two cards, but I'm not taking. Four of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Last time also popped out. Yeah, I think most of you are working on your career. Only some of you, not but most of you, but very few of you are also working on, you are investing in some relationship. Four of Wands is here. You both could be twin flames also, but wherever you are going to invest, definitely you will get success there, because Seven of Pentacles, you are see here, you are investing your energy in this, definitely you will get results. Ten of Pentacles is here. Wow, Aries, because Eight of Pentacles, you are putting a lot of effort. It could be relationship, or it could be finance and career, whatever, definitely you will get success wherever you want. And you are very honest, and you are very straightforward. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Definitely both could be 11 and 11 celebration. Definitely in relationship wise also you are getting success. Three of Cups, Princess of Cups, Knight of Cups. Lot of emotions between both of you. You both have strong emotions for each other. Three of Cups with Princess of Cups and Knight of Cups. Wow, you both are emotional couple simply. Yeah, you both have strong emotions for each other, and one person in this connection is very creative and very intuitive, and one person in this connection could be slow moving energy, but they have strong emotions for other person. If you are in no contact, definitely you will get communication, and there will be some moving in this connection. If you are in contact, definitely this relationship is going to be next level, because you both have strong emotions for each other strongly. See this cup, Three of Cups, Four of Wands with Three of Cups. Definitely some celebration moments are going in your life right now or in near future. Lot of I'm not taking any of. Okay, only one card. Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and the Fool. Wow, yeah, one person in this connection is stuck right now. Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. That person is very sharing and caring and giving person, and yeah, that person will eventually move into this state, the Fool, free state. Right now they are stuck, but in near future their energy will be like this. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. Right now stuck, I think it could be your person. I am getting stuck, but your person is very caring and giving, or you could be very caring and giving, because Queen of Pentacles is here. Like, see her energy. So yeah, from stuck energy to the Fool energy. Wow, very very good transformation. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Who this person, the stuck person. Five of Swords, the Moon, King of Wands. Yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you. Your person is thinking about about your disturbances right now. Right now, your person is very disturbed and thinking about the negative things in the connection, because Five of Swords with the Moon, definitely there is some negative energy, and the Moon, your person could be Pisces also. There are some disagreements between both of you, some disturbances. Queen of Wands, but your person is very, very passionate about you. They are very passionate about you, but right now they are thinking about issues in the connection. The Moon and Five of Swords. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Page of Pentacles. Six of Wands. King of Swords. Yeah, you will get some communication from your person, and Page of Pentacles with King of Swords. Definitely your person is very straightforward, and you because in starting reading you also got the same card, King of Swords. You both are very straightforward couple, very honest couple. Definitely your person, I think for some it could be the third person involved in the situation. That's why you are getting issues between both of you. The third person may be their mother, father, sister, like this, not third party always. So I am getting the third person you are getting some issues. I am getting for some. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles with King of Swords. Definitely some communication, you will get clarity. Definitely your person wants success with you. Six of Wands. Yeah, they want this connection, but they want to give clarity, some message, some communication, and they call you or some call. Definitely you will expect from your person. Definitely they will call you or they will message you. They want to discuss something important, because in thinking they are Five of Swords with Moon. Definitely they are thinking a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Aries. Death. And Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Knight of Wands. The Tower. Yeah, for some there is separation. The Tower moment in this connection, and this is for you both, Tower moment, and you both are passionate about each other, and transformation is going in this connection. Yes, you both are passionate about each other, and some Death card is very positive card. Definitely some transformation is going. After the transformation, Ace of Pentacles is here. Wow. See. Definitely you both want to offer this long term, you both want to take this relationship to next level. I think there is a future for this connection. If you are in separation, definitely there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you, and yeah, you want the same thing. You want some new beginnings with each other. If it is not third party, it is okay, but some Tower moment is, this Tower moment is both for you both, not for only one person. And your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of fire energy, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and water energy. So Aries, let's see your overall energy for the week. The Magician, Five of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Wow, you are trusting your intuition, definitely. And yeah, Five of Pentacles, for them, for some there is separation and you are sad, you are feeling sad for that. But the Magician, you want to manifest something new in your life, or you want to manifest your love back in your life. Yeah, you are in this energy. Whatever you wishing for, you will manifest, because the Magician energy you are in right now, Aries. So let's see your person energy for the week, overall energy. Death. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yes, your person want to work on this relationship. They are seeing the star, means they are still hoping for this connection. And Death, yeah, your person undergoes some transformation. Your person could be Scorpio. And Eight of Pentacles, yeah, your person this time very seriously they want to work on this relationship, Aries. It's up to you to give second chance to your person or not, depending upon your situations. But if it is not third party, you have to give one chance, because this time your person is very serious. Some transformation is also undergoing in your person's life. After the transformation, they realize you both, I think. Yeah, they seeing you like star. Yeah. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon, and you will get all my video notifications. Bye. Thank you so much for the support.